Hello, hey there.
Who are you? This place is restricted.
My name is Kit Kat.
Like the chocolate bar?
Sure, or the 18th century political club in London.
Oh.
Did you get the fruit arrangement I sent you?
Yeah, the one with fruits cut into little flowers? That was you?
I freaking love those things.
It looked really good. I didn't eat any of it on account of the ominous note that said, "I'm so sorry."
I felt I needed to preemptively apologize for putting you in a potentially stressful and confusing situation.
Apology accepted. Now get out of here before I shoot you in the stomach.
Let me explain. I'm a spy, and I'm trying to break into this building you're guarding.
Why would you tell me that?
I really don't like lying.
You don't like lying?
Nope, I do not care for it one bit.
Well, that's very nice, but I'm not letting you in.
Okay. I guess it's Plan B then.
Is that a threat?
Nope, Plan B means looking for an open window, and if that doesn't work, going back to my hotel room.
Are you really a spy?
Yes, I don't want to become a monster or anything, you know?
Please get out of here.
You've had a hard day, Kit Kat, but you did your best, and you deserve some room service. Oh hey, a call for Kit Kat. Hello?
Hey, is this the spy guy who sent me that fruit basket?
Oh, it's my favorite security cat. Good to talk to you again.
Yeah, I've given it some thought and I've had a change of heart. If you really want to get in here, I'm not going to stop you.
Oh, buddy. I know you're setting me up for an ambush, so I can't accept, but thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Tell your boss, Zeus, that I know he's up to something unseemly, and I'm going to stop him in the seemliest way possible.
Yeah, I'm not going to tell him that.
Could you tell him to call me himself then?
No, I'm hanging up now.
Okay.